Accepting Klarna payments for your business is a great way to provide customers with flexible payment options. Here's how to get started. Create a Klarna merchant account. Visit the Klarna website and sign up for a merchant account. You will need to provide your business details, including your business name, contact information, and tax ID. Choose your integration method. Klarna offers various integration options, including plugins for popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. You can also integrate Klarna using APIs if you have a custom website. Install the Klarna payment solution. If using a plugin, install it from the relevant app store. Follow the setup instructions to configure the payment gateway to accept Klarna payments. Configure payment options. In your Klarna account dashboard, set up the payment options you want to offer customers, such as Pay Later, Pay in 4, or financing. Test the integration. Before going live, conduct test transactions to ensure everything is working correctly and customers can select Klarna at checkout. Launch and promote. Once you're ready, promote Klarna as a payment option on your website to attract customers.